guys, welcome back to my video. And today we got something super excited to unbox. And this parcel just arrived and I'm dying to see what's inside, and let's start it. This parcel is portable cards, type stove. This outdoor mini square stove, portable folding gas stove card, camping, cooking, utensil, ultralight travel, cookware, hiking equipment. This outdoor mini square stove portable folding gas stove is the perfect solution for those who love outdoor cooking without hassle, and designed specifically for campers like hikers and travelers. This stove is ultra light and compact, weight only few ounces and folding down to a size small enough to fit in your backpack or traveler bag. It's ideal for those need a high performance stove that doesn't have a value space. This outdoor mini square stove is an essential tool for any adventurer who values practicality, reliability, and convenience. This stove is allow you to start cooking quickly, which is especially useful when you're in rush. Generally, mini stove like this are more affordable than larger, more complex cooking system, making them a great budget-friendly option for outdoor cooking. What you waiting for? Get yours and order in AliExpress and get a lot of discount. Again, get yours today and make every outdoor adventure a delicious one.